Hi everyone and welcome back to Radical Lifestyle. Today I'm making a very easy mushroom masala. So it's a different way to try out a mushroom. So let's get started. First we're going to add some coconut oil to a frying pan and then add some sliced red onions. I've got about 4 to 5 onions here. And then we're going to saute them lightly. And to help with the sauteing, I'm just adding a little bit of salt. And then just keep frying until you get that golden brown color. Next, I'm going to add some green chilies. This is about 2 to 3 green chilies. You can add more or less according to how spicy you want to make it. Then I'm adding some ginger garlic paste, red chili powder, turmeric, coriander powder, and some garam masala. Then you're going to mix all that up and incorporate it well with the fried onions. And after that's done, you're going to add your mushrooms. We're going to mix up the mushrooms a little bit and then add some water to help with the cooking. And then we're going to let it rest for some time. Then we're going to add some chopped tomatoes and mix everything really well. And just keep stirring until you get the right consistency that you're looking for. And finally, we're going to add some chopped cilantro and mix that in really well. And then that's it. You're done.